Today just want to show you the Quikpik. It's just arrived in a box and you're very excited about it. I know you'll be very excited about that. It comes practically fully assembled in your box. Comes as a main body piece with the two blades on it, and that blade has a little cover for safety, and then it will have a clamp for your work area and an instruction manual. We really want you to have a good read of this so that nobody gets hurt. It's very, very safe. We've worked very hard to make it really, really safe for everyone to use. The way you put it together, just undo your clamp to the depth of your workbench. Push that into the bottom of your Quikpik. And I mount mine always right next to my machine because that's where I'm going to need it the most. And I'm always short of time when I'm sewing. You have a safety cover to protect your fingers and little people's fingers from the blades when it's not in use. And you have a little light at the back. That light runs for about 15 minutes. If you forget, it will switch itself off, so it'll save you batteries. The batteries are in the top. There's 3 little batteries in there. They should last you a year or so, you shouldn't need to replace them very often. Once again, all your instructions are in your instruction manual, so have a good read of that. See ya.